hard to know what to make of this news because does it change anything? We don't have an official statement from Microsoft about what's going on here. They took Huawei laptops down when the heat was on, right? You know what the fast food will? They put it under the heat lamp. The red heat lamp. They put the burger, they slide it under the heat lamp.
7-Eleven.
Yeah, that's Huawei right now. Oh. They take the smartphone, they slide it under the heat lamp. That's the brand right now. Man, the heat is hot on this one. You ever seen the movie Heat, Will? Al Pacino, Robert De Niro. You never saw that. Guy like you?
Honestly, I don't think I have.
Yeah, you didn't see that, Will. But that's Huawei right now. Huawei is De Niro and Trump is Pacino. You understand? And they're about to meet at the diner. And it's about to be a showdown. So I hope we'll put the weapons away. You know, I'm just having fun. I'm just having fun. Val Kilmer is me. Val Kilmer's me. You know, I'm in the conversation. He dies, I believe. Anyway, Michael Mann, frantic pace, blue hue. And if you didn't see Heat, then we can't be friends, first of all. Second of all, you could just go watch Heat and we could be friends again. So it's an easy fix. I mean, the heat has been on Huawei. I don't have to tell you know this. It's coming from every angle. Microsoft, in the peak of it, they take the laptops down from the website. No explanation. They just vanish. I talk about it after the executive order. And a lot of time passes. Huawei comes out, Will, and they say, we're going to lose $30-40 billion. That just happened recently. They say we're going to lose $30-40 billion because of this. There it is. Look at Will. Did you just have that story on lock? I didn't tell you. You didn't know I was going to go there. You had it
was in the link.
It was in the link? Okay, so I shouldn't give you too much credit?
No.
I don't know, man. I'm saying the people are starting to notice what you're up to, Will. They're starting to notice what you're up to. Just keep that in mind.
All right.
Huawei announces, what is that word? Swinging cuts to production as sales plummet 40%. Who wrote that? Chris wrote it. Swinging. Chris Merriman wrote that headline. So he's obviously, he's beyond what we're capable of to write a word like that. Swinging cuts to production as sales plummet 40%. So, they came out, they said it's a big deal, man. Billions of dollars. Company will be slashing $30 billion from its production budget over the next 24 months. I mean, it's heavy stuff. Anyhow, point is, they came back on the site, but in a weird way. According to this report on CNET, if you look at the all laptop list on the Microsoft Store, you can find it by navigating there. But if you search it, it doesn't pop up. So it's there in a weird way. And it appears that all that's happening here is the Microsoft Store is trying to get rid of their inventory potentially. Let's see if Will can even find it. Go to the US Microsoft Store and see what you can figure out. But it appears to me that they're just going to try to get rid of the pre-existing inventory and then maybe it's gone for good. Maybe this is a temporary fix. Oh, it comes up in the search, Will? Click on one of these, please. What do we got here? $14.99. MateBook X. Who knows? They're back. They're back on the store. Could be a good sign for Huawei, man. I don't know. At least on the Windows front. It at least means Microsoft has considered their stance a little bit, right? It's kind of a statement. What an extension of the olive branch. You heard that before? You know? So, I don't know. If you were... It's hard for me to go out and recommend you get one of these things given the current climate for obvious reasons, but they're back on the website. There's some inventory remaining, and I personally think it's a sort of a good sign for Huawei. If you're a Huawei fan, you're looking for any kind of positive twist, this could be it, maybe a little bit.